series. Today in this video, I would like to walk through you on how to configure MLLP client connector connection. For that, I have taken a sample process. Within the process, under the connector, for the connector step, beside to connector, just select the MLLP client as the connector, as like other connectors, and then beside to connection, just click on the create icon to create the new MLLP client connection. So here we can see three tabs: settings, SSL options, advanced options, to configure this client connection. So for host, we need to mention the IP address of MLLP server where it resides. And also you can mention local host or IP address if it is installed on your local. So MLLP is installed on your local, just mention the local host, that also works. And then port number 9099 is the default port on which MLLP server listen for MLLP client send request. And send timeout, this is to set the number of seconds before the connection times out, waiting for the completion of send operation. And receiving timeout, this is also has the default 120 seconds. This is to set the number of seconds before the connection times out, waiting for a functional acknowledgement message from the receiving MLLP server. And max retry, so this is to set the number of how many times the connection can retry if the send operation times out. That number we can give here. So 0 is the by default. And fail on timeout, if we selected this checkbox, sending process fails when an acknowledgement timeout exception occurs. And the last one is use persistent connections. This is for connection pool future. Actually, if you would like to add this connection to the connection pool and reuse, then simply select it so that the connection is added to the connection pool and can be reused. And for SSL option, we can see two provision here. Provisions, one is use client SSL authorization and another one is use trusted SSL certificate. If we selected use client SSL authorization, the client uses SSL authorization. So here for client SSL certificate, we need to select the private certificate of client. I mean to say client private certificate should be uploaded here. And for use trusted SSL certificate, if we selected this checkbox, then we need to add MLLP server public certificate here. For advanced options, we can configure the encoding characters for start block character, end block character, and end data character for MLLP data. So this is how we can configure MLLP client connection in the Boomi. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.